What's good, YouTube family? I'm going to show you guys today a great stock that I like that's at an attractive price. I'm going to tell you why I believe you should buy it. And that stock is no further than AMD, okay? Advanced Micro Devices. Okay, and I'm going to tell you guys why I like this particular company, okay? So first of all, earnings are forecast to grow 40% per year. Earnings grew by 800% over the past year, and analysts are in good agreement that the stock will rise by 45%. Okay, so I have a price target myself of $200. Okay, and that's in the next 2 to 1.5 years. All right, which is not a long time. So how do they make their money? All right, their data center, $11 billion. They make $24 billion in revenue, but their earnings after all expenses. Okay, so all the stuff in the orange are expenses. All the stuff in the blue is how they make money. Gaming as well, client, embedded. So they are getting to the paper. They are a large cap stock with a big market cap, and the expenses are 11 billion. So they gross this, expenses are this, and after all, and this is their gross profit, and then after all expenses, they are left with $1.83 billion. Okay, so the pink is our free cash flow. This is our profitable line. So they were almost teetering the unprofitable mark mid 2023. All right, but the revenue, as you guys can see, is increasing, and we're going to take a look at their balance sheet as well, so I can show you guys real quick. All right, so check this out. As you can see right here, even though they were making 9.7 billion, they were profitable a little bit more money back in the day, and now they have more than double their profits this particular year, trailing 12 months TTM. All numbers are in thousands, so you got to add 3 zeros to every number you see. So they are up $1.8 billion, okay? And they total revenue of $24.2 billion, and they are doing better, okay? So they're on a literal 2-year winning streak, so that's a good thing for AMD in particular, okay? So that's what I like to see right here. All right, folks, I like to see a trend on the rise. So the profits on the rise, the revenue is on the rise, and beat all-time high revenue, okay? So that's another thing too. You want to see progress in a company. So not only are they doing progress, but they're at an attractive price point and at a support area. So my theory and my idea of what I'm going to do is I'm already in shares of AMD. I'm going to start averaging in and buying more at this price point right here that we're at right now, at the 122-ish area. Right now it's at 126, and tomorrow if it gets above high of 128, it could go. All right, but that will be during market hours, so you guys will see this. I'll post this tomorrow. I'm doing this tonight, and I believe you should average into this. So my next buy area is 113, and my next buy area after that is in the 100s, and then the pretty much early 90s. So I'm going to keep averaging into this and hold it for at least the next 5 to 10 years. All right, and I believe anybody who buys into this and continues to buy into this will profit, because the trend is very bullish. They are a very profitable company, and like I said, guys, they have beat 2022 revenue, so that's good news as well. They're making higher and higher revenue, okay? And that's pretty much why I like this stock in particular. The one thing I do want to see them grow above is this 7.5% profit margin, which I believe they will get better at. But yes, folks, I love AMD. I love what they have to offer, and I believe this is a company to continue to buy into their future growth. You know what I mean? And they're just going to get better and better, and they're going to advance, and they're going to keep taking market shares from NVIDIA, Intel, all those types of things. So I definitely think AMD, well, I know AMD is going to be the stock of the future. And I believe it's at an attractive price that people should buy right now. All right. So y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Aristotle Investments. Just a quick update on a stock that I believe is an attractive price that I'm going to average into and keep buying into and adding to my portfolio, because it's all about diversification. So you guys tap in, click the link in the description. I'll pin the link in the comments. Let's get right into it, folks.